Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm taking you on a whirlwind tour of one of Europe's most vibrant cities, Amsterdam. Whether it's your first visit or you're coming back for more, this city never ceases to amaze. First up, let's bike our way to the heart of the city, the beautiful canals of Amsterdam. Known for their historical charm and picturesque bridges, biking along these canals is the perfect way to soak in the city's atmosphere. Make sure to stop by the Anne Frank house, where you can get a poignant glimpse into the past with a visit to the secret annex where Anne wrote her diary. Next, we're off to the Van Gogh Museum. Even if you're not a big art fan, trust me, the vibrant colours and emotional depth in Van Gogh's paintings are absolutely captivating. It's a must-visit for anyone coming to Amsterdam. Feeling a bit peckish? Let's swing by the Albert Kuip market. It's the largest street market in the Netherlands and the perfect spot to try some local delicacies like stroopwafels or fresh herring if you're feeling adventurous. After refueling, a short walk brings us to Vondelpark. This is the largest city park in Amsterdam, buzzing with outdoor activities and greenery, making it a perfect spot for a leisurely afternoon. Lay down a blanket, enjoy a picnic, or simply watch as locals and tourists alike pass by on their bikes. As the day winds down, let's head to the Jordaan district. With its narrow streets and quaint buildings, Jordaan is filled with independent art galleries, antique shops and courtyard gardens. The vibe here is uniquely welcoming and artistic. It's like stepping into a quieter, more introspective side of Amsterdam. And finally, no trip to Amsterdam is complete without experiencing its vibrant nightlife. Whether it's visiting a brown cafe, hopping on a canal cruise at night, or exploring the neon-lit red light district, Amsterdam after dark is an experience unto itself. Alright folks, that wraps up our quick guide to Amsterdam. Whether you're here for the art, the history, or simply to experience the unique culture, Amsterdam has something for everyone. Make sure to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more travel tips, and comment below with your favourite spot in Amsterdam or where you'd like me to go next. Safe travels and see you in the next video.